It's a trend that's happening nationwide and right here at home. The flu is back. I want to thank you for joining us tonight at 5. I'm Rolly Hoyt. Marlisa has the night off. It's a virus we haven't seen much for the past 2 years since COVID-19 began. But as THV 11's Mercedes McKay found out, numbers in our state are on the rise.
Some pharmacists I spoke to say while they've heard about the flu spreading around our area, it hasn't really hit their community just yet. But here at Kavanaugh Pharmacy, the owner tells me they've seen an uptick over the past week.
What we can see right now is those telltale flu signs.
Things always stay busy at Kavanaugh Pharmacy, and recently that's included something rare for this time of year, flu testing.
We just haven't seen that for probably 2 years, and so people aren't really prepared for it.
That preparedness is on the pharmacy side of things, according to owner Ann Pace. Last week, when they began to see more people coming in with prescriptions for Tamiflu, she realized her stock was low.
When I called around yesterday trying to find some liquid, a lot of people's had expired and hadn't had any, and so I recommended to them, you may want to get some ordered because we're seeing it.
Pace says they're mainly seeing it in school-age kids, and she's already hearing about multiple classes having outbreaks.
Part of the reason we're seeing this is because we've taken masks off. And we're seeing it in kids because we don't have those masks on. And so that's great. Kids need to get back to not having masks, but we're going to start seeing all of those viruses coming back.
That's what the numbers show. According to the Department of Health's weekly flu report, the virus is rising in young kids. State epidemiologist Mike Sima says masks coming off in schools could be contributing.
March is still respiratory virus season, and if those particular interventions are not being followed, it's possible to become sick with the flu.
While certain pharmacists are experiencing it, Sima says the state overall is having minimal spread, but flu cases aren't required to be reported in Arkansas, so this is based only off what they're given. So, as we head into spring months, health officials believe cases will only go down.
In general, we would expect flu at this point in the year is for it to continue to decrease and really dip below kind of background levels during the warmer months.
In Little Rock, Mercedes McKay, THV 11 News.
Mercedes, thank you. The most common symptoms for the flu are high fever and exhaustion, and sometimes a sore throat. Most pharmacists are able to provide rapid flu testing, so if you do have symptoms you're concerned about, you can get diagnosed pretty quickly.